And,
hey man.
how you getting on? Sticker packing?
Yeah, good. Check it out.
Nice.
Got lovely ones here. To be fair, with a full way to sweeten the deal.
Yeah.
Put a couple of them in there.
What's that?
Well, it's just to get more subscribers, I thought.
Is that cash?
Yeah. Yeah. We got tons of it.
Get out.
Bosh.
No way.
Hey.
How did you get that?
It's YouTube money.
Whoa.
Still coming in, mate.
Is that what happens?
Yeah.
Jeez.
500
in 3
subscribers.
months?
Yeah. That's all you need.
And that's what you get?
Yeah, look at it all.
Did YouTube send you that?
Yeah, what could we do with it?
Wow. Make some more.
Oh. So as you can see, 500 subscribers, that's where it really kicks off. So thanks guys, we needed that. So we've been doing tons of stickering, tons of printing, and it's all going on this week. So we thought we'd show you what we get up to. So let's head into the print room, see Casper, and have a little look around along the way.
Go long.
Yeah, boy!
We're back in the print room.
Yes, we are.
This is Casper. He's not a ghost, he's here. Okay? Come and check this out, guys. There's some new stickers on the run. Got genuine junk, got some German coming up. Look.
Oh, that's nice.
German V-dub, Shonky Bay, Shonky Bug.
Oh no, main roll path out of substrate.
Oh no, we've run out.
The magic. Magic stopped.
Look at him,
Look at that.
He's a strong man. Go on, do a curl.
Really?
Ooh, look.
He needs a spotter.
Ad.
Yes.
I better go and make some money.
Yeah, we're running out.
Right, I'll be back.
All right, mate. Nice one. Cheers.
I think we probably genuinely lost Adam to doing anything mechanical anymore.
This is too fun. It's so satisfying to watch. I mean, you guys have just seen that. Whoa. That's so cool. So here we are. We've done it. Yo. 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 There we go, mate.
Oh, Bandcam's dying.
In the name of cool printing of things and stickers and good vibes and this big printer we've got, thinking let's do a little something for the boys.
We do for Jazz. Oh, I know. Jazz, we're here to help.
Yeah, you'll see. You'll see.
Jono.
Caddy.
Caddy.
All right, guys, welcome to Tea Corner. This is where
The mechanics hang out, right?
Yeah, that's where they have their coffees.
Check out this. In Jazz's fridge.
Vibs.
Right, but he's supposed to be on a diet.
He's being a naughty boy.
So, we're going to do something to the fridge that'll help him out.
Gonna make sure he doesn't want to go anywhere near him ever again.
44. 48.
Let's go.
John, would you like a VIB? I wonder what that stands for. Is it very inviting biscuit or is it very important biscuit? Don't tell Ben. Mm. Mwah. Mwah.
What?
He's doing some work finally.
Busy.
Let's have a look.
It's a surprise, man. Surprise for Jono.
Yeah, we're not surprised for the guys.
Yeah.
There you are.
Caddy. So I am going to make him a big print, put it over his fireplace.
Using all of your design skills possible.
I'll show you what it looks like. Here you
Slowly, okay. Nice. He's not gonna like that, is he? Go, we've been rumbled.
Run away.
Why would he do that?
What have we done?
Is that to keep me out, is it, or something?
That's right, mate. Keep you away, the spider fridge.
I know who that was, don't I?
What?
Spiders. Spider.
There's only spiders in that fridge.
Yes, what, no
There's
biscuits?
no chocolate biscuits. We've got the 500.
We got the 500 subscribers. Thanks
Thanks
you
to
so
you
much.
guys.
Cheers.
And what's been really nice is you lot have been sending us loads of info about what you're up to.
And what you're into.
Yeah, up to and into.
Us, namely.
We are putting together the sticker packs for you lot.
Check it out. Very cool. Look at all of these, man.
What's more is you lot are all in the same gang with us. Brilliant. These lot.
The Nutjob gang.
The Nutjob gang. The printing of has been quite problematic, hasn't it? We've not been...
We're not exactly professionals.
Yeah, I would say that.
This is what we could call it.
But we give it a go. And
But they've come out really cool.
we've got them going all over the place. We have got them going to... I'm going to look at my list. Texas, Indiana,
California,
Pennsylvania,
What was that?
Melbourne, Victoria,
Melbourne,
Melbourne.
mate.
Yeah.
Mark from Melbourne. You're
Mark
right,
from
mate.
Melbourne. Good day, mate.
G'day, bud.
How you doing, Sheila?
Sheila.
Sheila. New Zealand.
New Zealand.
We've got the Netherlands. Actually, going to Chris. Chris was the very first man
Yeah, thanks,
to
Chris.
fill in the form, Chris.
Nice one, lad.
Enjoy that, fella. He's got a California, a T4 California.
Lovely.
We haven't got any stickers for those, Chris. Do you like tea? They
So we'll
drink
write
tea
a
in
4 on
Netherlands?
it. Should we put a 4 on it?
Four.
Make it a T4.
T4. There you go, T4. There's quite a
Ireland.
few of you in Ireland. Didn't think the
Yeah.
scene was massive in Ireland, but it is.
Turns out.
Well, it's not massive, but you are devoted, from what I hear.
Yeah.
We are, there is, see, how'd you say that one? How'd you say that right?
Yeah, honestly, I couldn't tell you.
Shilaf. Shilo.
You got an F from that. Oh, yeah.
Shili. No, it's
Shile.
probably Chile.
Chalet.
That's going to Andy. Hello, Andy.
Cheers, Andy.
We've even got some going to my friend Tim round the corner, and he's a real tight ass, so he ain't having any. So Tim, no, not happening. Newcastle. We've got Newcastle in the USA, in PA. Where's PA?
PA is Pennsylvania.
PA, not Pennsylvania.
PA. Papua New Guinea. Got it.
Yeah, Newcastle, Papua New Guinea.
There's not another one beginning with P.
Yeah, it is. It's for Kevin. He's got a Westie rebuild he's doing with his lad.
Good
That's
man.
happening. That's happening. But we've also got Newcastle in
Oh, the UK.
the UK. We've got Jack in Puick.
Jeff.
Down in this neck of the woods,
Who we got?
we've got Simon in Surrey.
Simon in Surrey.
Not only has he got a split screen van,
Oh, very nice.
at the other end of the scale, he's got a T6.
Oh, very nice.
Got Jeffrey in a 76 bay. We've got Ali.
Ali.
He's got a lovely split, but he did fess up that he didn't do all the work himself, but he is working through it.
Nice. Good luck to you, man.
And, but really,
You reading lines?
Luke's off now. Luke, right? Luke, come and stick your head in here, Luke.
Nice and close.
Hello. Luke is one of the designers who comes up with some of these lovely stickers. And he's bunking off early to go and watch the footy. England are just about to go and beat Germany.
Football's coming home.
Hopefully, it will be a very nice game.
We got some.
We've got some Germanys. We've got one here. Andreas.
Hello, mate.
We're going to kick your butt. But probably won't actually, because Germany have a habit of kicking our butts.
Germany are quite good, actually.
We've got some going to Sheffield, the one where those blokes stripped.
I'm sorry.
Too young for it, you see. You know what I'm talking about, Rob.
The Full Monty.
Oh.
Was it right? Is that right?
Yeah.
That was just my first guess. Yes, mate.
Yeah. Mate, Rob was in the Full Monty, apparently.
Very good. Very good.
He was one of the security guards, apparently.
Oh.
Thank you for that, Rob.
We should do the full nut job.
No, you don't ever want to see that. Josh!
Josh!
We haven't got any Passat stickers, Josh.
We will.
One day,
Probably. Last but not least.
Dave from Liverpool. Check this out, Dave. This was Adam earlier on,
Dave
realising that we had somebody from Liverpool and Newcastle. Being as he's not ventured that much further than the M25, it didn't quite.
I don't go up north.
Especially Dave from Liverpool. I imagine Dave from Liverpool being really hard and tough. He's going to come down as like a ton of bricks if we don't get him.
He will. Why, aye, man. Liverpool.
Wait,
hang on.
man.
On
Wait,
one.
man. Sorry,
On
Dave.
one.
Straight away, one job Adam has got. And he's,
For one
he's put
job.
you in Newcastle land already.
Mate, it's all north to me. I am deeply sorry.
He also mentioned, he said, don't forget to tell Dave that all our vans are locked up at night.
Right.
I think that he's been watching some Stereotypes, don't you?
That's not going in. I won't allow it. Right.
You have to put that in, just like that, and put the bit in that says that's not going in. Because we never put anything in that says that's not going in, but that would be really good. Because when I said it, it was a bit too rude. We better start putting these in the envelopes, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Should we do one?
Let's do it. All right.
Do
Yeah,
one.
Okay.
I reckon you could send this one to Peter in Inverness.
Yo, Peter, do you want a Fulkenbroeken?
Nah, it's Bug. He's got T25.
T25. All right. That's fine. So I've already put the T25 on.
Oh, Peter, we love you,
T25
see?
in there.
Put in some Wonga.
And
Yeah.
Dosh. Oh,
Not that much.
there's loads in there. Blimey.
Yeah, that one.
It's got my face on it.
And my arse. Right, Peter's home address is... If you haven't subscribed, it's not too late. Unless it's gone past 1st of July.
That is true.
In which case it is too
It
late.
is too late. If you're watching this now as it's released, you've still got a moment.
Yeah, and if you share it with your mates and they get in before the end of the 1st of July, midnight, nothing sort of turns into a pumpkin or anything like that. 1 down, 6 to go. No, we've got a few to go, so we better get that printer going.
So, we have just finished printing what we've printed for Jono.
Yeah, because we made something for Jazz. So now we thought we'd better make something for John, else he'll cry.
Yeah, man.
Check it out.
The show.
John. We've got something for you. We made it on our special printer because it's like we'd see if our big printer would print stickers. We didn't know if it'd print bigger stuff. John is a bit of a fan of these.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, nice.
That is
my caddy.
that is John's caddy.
Hey.
That's cool, thanks guys.
Yeah. At the moment, it's like this, but he wants to lift it. So that's quite
Big
easy.
scary. Big scary caddy.
Lift it, paint it.
See, just like that.
Wicked. Way, lift it.
That was cool.
Nice. There you go.
Wicked cool.
Oh, Adam,
Oh yeah.
check this out.
What you got?
We've been sent some stuff by, a couple of our subscribers actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What? Like pictures of their
Hang on,
hands and stuff.
I'll forward them over to you.
Oh yeah, nice one.
Here you go.
Hey there, boys. It's Charlene down from Alabama. I want to tell you boys, I think you're beautiful and fantastic. And I love what you do with them old VWs. That's right. I think they're fantastic. I have a T25 of my own, and I'll call her Shirley. Oh, a Vannegan. I got one of them Vannegans that you all call that T25 over there in the Britain, of course. Oh, I think it's just wonderful what you boys are doing. You all keep doing it, all right? Oh, I got myself one of those sticker packs too. Please send it over. I'm waiting. I've been waiting a dang long time.
Nice. And the next one, also nice.
Right, so, listen to me here, boys. I've been watching your videos, right? And I think Jaz's bald head is, God, it's so beautiful. It's just spectacular. I've got to say, Jazz, don't grow any hair. It wouldn't suit you. Wouldn't suit you. That's all I wanted to say.
3, 2, 1. That's good. Well done.
That was nice to hear from people all around the world.
That was seriously cool. Yeah. Who was that last guy?
We're coming up in Liverpool. We had, there's a lass from Alabama.
That was right. Yeah.
We've had a few more.
She was gorgeous, wasn't she?
Yeah, she was. She was quite fit actually.
I've been messaging her since.
Have you?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Good.
Really?
Yeah, we've got a lot in common.
Nice. You have got a lot in common.
Yeah.
More than you know.
Yeah.
We have put some stickers
Oh, they're interesting.
in the envelopes. They are, well, they're not actually. This would be fibbing.
Yeah.
Soon they'll be
will
whizzing
be
their way around the world
On
to
their
you
way
lot.
to you. Be patient.
Yeah, be very patient
It might take a while.
because we're not very dynamic.
I'm extremely dynamic. Look how dynamic my trousers are. So anyway, thanks for watching. And,
And stay with us. There might be some more stuff going on. We are gonna try and come and visit some of you guys.
whoa.
I know that terrifies that terrifies you. Lock your doors.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you want more of this, like and subscribe.
Yeah, thanks. And do that, and we'll see you in the next one.
What's the next one about?
Caddy.
Oh, yeah, Caddy. Is that 4th of July?
Yeah. Well, that's quite high, isn't it?
Just off to check on Ben and see how the printing's going. How we doing, mate?
Nothing.
This is a nice sticker. That's a good one. Yeah. Job well done. So,
Right, lad.
yeah, good. How's the printing coming along? That was
Yeah.
they look good.
Yeah.
Nice stickers.